Welcome to Kilowatt Hour Levy channel. Today's episode, I am about to see if I can salvage some of the broken items from the tailgate brake light, center brake light of my 2022 Kia EV6. So as some of you can see in my YouTube short video that I posted yesterday, that I accidentally ran my tailgate into my garage door. So yeah, it was bad, and I was, by the time I get a quote, it was kind of a high price, almost $1,100 to $1,200 to replace, for just a replacement part. That doesn't include labor yet. So but I'm about to see if I can salvage it and pending till the replacement that I'll purchase on eBay arrives. So before I start the process, if this is your first time viewing this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and also the notification bell. The notification bell will notify you every time I post a new video, and the like button will recommend my videos to viewers like you. So if you haven't done that, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe and like button. All right, so I also have videos that you can check out as well for accessories and charging sessions for my EV6. And you know, that can, if you are new to EVs or if you're trying to get an EV, that will help you out, and accessories as well, and check them out. So without that being said, let's go ahead and start the process. All right, welcome back. So I have all the broken plastics here. Hopefully that's all of it. I don't know if I'll be able to, but let me see what I can do. I do have Gorilla Glue. So I do have a couple of, another one. Drop that. There's some Gorilla Glue I can use. And I bought this tinted film that I will use. This is a 35% film. So I might just cut a little bit out of it just to use to cover the part, so that I won't get any water leak or rain into it. So and I have my heat gun as well. I have the heat gun. This is a Drill Master from I believe, did I get it from Harbor Freight? Yeah, Harbor Freight. And got this that came with the tin film. It's like a squeegee or so. So I'm not intending to use that for this, but I'm just trying to see whatever I can do just to keep it watertight, so that water won't get into it and cause more damage. All right, so let's go ahead and start the process. I also forgot, I got tape, so I'm going to use tape to just put around to protect from glue falling off or getting damaged to the car, to the light. So I'm going to go ahead, I don't know if you can see, so I'm going to lay here. Okay. All right, so I just go ahead and put some glue on the plastic right now. So let me go ahead and place it on the car. I need to put it on the other side too. So whenever you're doing this, make sure you're wearing the gloves as well, so that you won't put these chemicals in your hand or finger. So let me go ahead and put this in. All right, just want to share. I'm going to fast forward the video so that you don't have to watch all this process for 6 to 7 minutes. All right. All right, so this is how far I've gone with this. And these two pieces right here, I believe they're supposed to fit in here, but I couldn't get it to go in. So I probably, let me see here. All right, pretty much right now I only have this piece and I couldn't figure out where it goes in. So I'm just gonna let it be and let the other ones dry, and then use a wrap to wrap it up to fix the issue. So, all right, I'll be back once it dries up, and go ahead and the tint film on it. All right, welcome back. So it's already a few hours into it, and it is, the glue is still not completely dry. So I am going to let it, I'll probably wait till tomorrow for it to dry completely. So yeah, it is still still moving, so I will probably wait till tomorrow for everything to dry. Yeah, I put a little bit more glue into it. Especially to the one on the bottom. All right, let's see here. So I'm gonna let it dry. Put it on the top as well. It is coming along, but it's still kind of messed up. So yeah, this single piece right here is just not gonna be there. I believe it is somewhere between here or here, but I'm just not gonna mess with it. I'll let it be. So, all right, I'll be back for another update.